At dalawang Carpio dito. Alam niyo na siguro, nung araw pa, magkaibigan na kami ni Tony Carpio. Alam niyo kung bakit? Sapagkat nung nag-usap kami ni President Ramos, mga-appointed na niya ako. You know, I'll tell you now the secret of how I got into the Supreme Court. In 1992, after President Ramos was already a winner, but before he took his oath of office, he called me. At that time, the cell phones were still huge. Hindi pwedeng maliliit lang. They were connected to the car. I was going to the Manila City Hall, and the phone rang. So, kinuha ko yung phone ko sa kotse. Sabi ko, hello. Sabi ko nasa kabila, hello, who's this? Sabi niya, Eddie. Sabi ko, sinong Eddie? Eddie Ramos. Sabi niya, uy, Mr. President. Sabi ko, kumusta po kayo? Pwede ba ikaw magkita tayo bukas ng alas 7 ng umaga sa 805 Pasay Road, room 207. Alam ko yung mga naman yun. Kapagkat importante sa buhay ko yun. So, I went the following day at his private headquarters in Pasay Road in Makati. And we discussed for 1 hour, kami dalawa lang. Wow. Magkakilala kami dahil we were both Rotarians. You know, we entered the Rotary Club of Manila in 1983. He was then the chief of the Philippine Constabulary. And I was a practicing lawyer. And during our association in the Rotary Club, we became friends. And finally, after about 1 hour of talking, we were talking about the role of law in society, about how the court should be ruling, what philosophies there are available, and what are the expectations of the people from their newly elected president. And finally, he said, alam mo, kaya kita tinawag dito, I want to offer you a seat in my cabinet. Nabigla ako. Sabi ko, Mr. President, I don't think I deserve to be in your cabinet. O bakit? Sabi niya, I did not campaign for you. Why should I be in your cabinet? Sabi niya, I know you did not campaign for me. You did not even vote for me. You voted for my friend, Humito Salonga. Totoo naman. No? But sabi niya, I would like to have a cabinet that is representative of our people. I would like you to be my Secretary of Justice. Medyo nabigla ako. Sabi ko, kukonsultahin ko po muna yung asawa ko. Sabi niya, bakit? Uhaw po ako. Uhaw. Ano uhaw? Husband. A member po ako ng uhaw. Union of Husbands Afraid of Wives. You know, when we got married, my wife said, you can do anything except be a politician. So I had to speak with her. And also, the Paris Council for Responsible Voting, of which I was the national vice chairman at that time, the PCRB. Sabi ni President Ramos, alam mo, sabi niya, the PPCRB was the watchdog of the elections. And you declared that the election was peaceful, credible, and orderly. That's very important to me because I got only 22% of the votes of our people. And when you said that it was credible and clean and honest, then my election was accepted by the people. That's very important to me, sabi niya. So, sabi niya, I think you should join my cabinet. Anyway, after a while, he called me again and said, oh no, ready ka na ba? Sabi ko, alanganin ho ako, ayaw ng asawa ko. Sabi niya, kung alanganin ka, sabi niya, sa Supreme Court ka na lang. Sabi ko, huwag niyo ilalang yan, mas gusto ko yan. Sabi niya, after about a few days, Tony Carpio called me up. He said, you know, we didn't know each other at that time. You know, he said, I was appointed Presidential Legal Counsel, and one of my first duties is to see you through to the Supreme Court. Sinasabi niya sa akin. Kaya siya ho ang nagtrabaho sa JBC. It took him 3 years to see me through. Kasi nabigla yung JBC sa akin eh. Wala pa kasi nun si Justice Hermosisi na ron. At wala pa rin sa JBC nun si Dean Di Mayuga. But anyway, after 8 tries, Tony Carpio was finally able to get me through the JBC. And the nominations were sent to the palace, and President Ramos called me up. Said, "Oh, Art, nandito na ang iyong nomination. In fact, pinirmahan ko na ang appointment mo. Mag-report ka na rito." That was a Thursday. Mag-report ka rito sa palasyo. I will administer your oath of office on Tuesday. Hallelujah na, di ba?